Japan's Nikkei 225 hit a record high as Asian markets rallied on growing optimism over a possible US-Iran deal, supported by strong gains on Wall Street and easing fears that the Iran conflict could escalate further. According to CNBC, the Nikkei rose more than 2%, driven by strength in technology and consumer cyclical stocks, with Daikin Industries among the top performers after activist investor Elliott Investment Management pushed for improvements in company performance. The broader Topix index also moved higher. Across the region, sentiment was broadly positive. South Korea's Kospi advanced, while Japan, Hong Kong, mainland China, and India also recorded gains. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index extended its rally, and China's CSI 300 climbed as investors reacted to both global market strength and domestic economic data. China reported that its economy grew 5% in the first quarter, faster than the previous quarter and above market expectations, supported by strong export growth despite concerns that the ongoing conflict could impact global demand. In Australia, the S&P ASX 200 moved lower, even as labour data showed employment growth and stable unemployment levels. Meanwhile, India's Nifty 50 also posted gains, reflecting the broader positive regional trend. Global markets have been boosted this week by hopes of a diplomatic breakthrough between Washington and Tehran. The S&P 500 has recovered from earlier losses linked to the conflict, while the Nasdaq and Dow have also posted weekly gains, with major U.S. indices hitting record levels. U.S. President Donald Trump said the Iran conflict is very close to over, reiterating claims that Tehran is interested in reaching a deal. A White House official confirmed that a second round of talks between the United States and Iran is under discussion, although no formal schedule has been set. In commodities, oil prices remained volatile. West Texas Intermediate edged higher, while Brent crude stayed largely unchanged as traders weighed the potential impact of renewed U.S.-Iran negotiations on global supply conditions. On Wall Street, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed at record highs, with the Nasdaq extending its winning streak, while the Dow closed slightly lower but remained near historic levels. Futures in the US were mostly flat in early trading following the strong overnight performance. Overall, markets across Asia and the US continue to reflect investor optimism that easing geopolitical tensions and possible diplomatic progress could stabilize global energy markets and support economic growth.